Hi friends, Vanakkam, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Friends, today you are going to travel with me to a new place called Bhitaraganika. Bhitaraganika hosts many mangrove species and it is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India. The national park is home to saltwater crocodile, Indian python, king cobra, black ibis and many other species of flora and fauna. So we started our journey from Paradip to Bhitaraganika and our journey time was approximately 3 hours as we have to cover the distance of 120 kilometers. Now let me give you a small introduction of Bhitaraganika National Park. Bhitaraganika National Park is a core area of the Bhitaraganika Wildlife Sanctuary located in the northeast region of Kendrapara district in the state of Odisha. It spreads over 145 km and it is surrounded by the Bhitaraganika Wildlife Sanctuary spread over 672 km. The place has a distinction of housing 23 feet long crocodile. It also holds a Guinness World Record of owning a skeleton of 19.8 feet long estuarine crocodile. The Bhitaraganika group of islands offer great beaches and exciting trails through the dense forest teeming with thrilling boat rides. Therefore, the park attracts tourists from all over the world. Planning a Bhitaraganika trip is thus recommended for tourists willing to make the most of their holidays. Spread over an area of 672 square kilometers, the national park consists of the Brahmani, Baitrini Delta, backwaters, estuaries and creeks. The national park in Odisha boasts the world's second largest mangrove ecosystem. It is considered as one of the impressive national parks in India. The park is home to more than 215 species of birds and it is inhabited by the giant saltwater crocodiles and various species like water monitor lizard, king cobra and Indian python. We reached our hotel by 2 in the afternoon. We already booked the hotels online. The review was good for this hotel, Aranya Nivas. It comes under the Odisha Tourism Development Corporation. Good location for overall sightseeing, recreation, dining and getting around. Arnaniva is the government guest house at Chandiballi, Bhitaraganika National Park. Good location, well accommodation, light expensive and moderate maintenance. Next day, we reached the Bhitaraganika National Park and we were waiting to hire the motorboats. Government motorboats and private motorboats price vary. Boating in the mangrove creeks of Bhitaraganika Nature Camp is an experience of a lifetime. While sailing through the mangrove forest, you can see variety of wildlife, reptiles and birds as well as under of saltwater crocodiles. We started our boat ride around 10 am. We travelled into the mangrove forest surrounded by rivers like Brahmi and Baitarni and Bay of Bengal. The forest is crisscrossed by a number of creeks. The very peaceful creek with the lush green mangrove forest on both the sides and the gathering clouds were playing hide and seek with us, totally cut off from the maddening crowds. The boat meandered through a network of channels and creeks. For every now and then, the boatman would shout and alarm us to watch crocodiles here and there. We are on the way to reach the Dangamal Island. It's a dream come true experience for a traveler. We have come across watching innumerable crocodiles on the sidewise riverbed and whispering mangrove kingdom, riverways and then plenty of doe-eyed duskers on the island. Indeed was a good experience to share with you all. To reach the Forest Rest House, we have to walk for 1 kilometer from the jetty point. Forest Rest House is the event for bird watchers. Here we saw a crocodile named Kalia, which is 19 feet long. There is also a museum inside the Forest Rest House.
This is 19 feet, here 22. Nadila irukadhu 24 feet. Ipo road irukadhu. Adu natural deposit. Saltwater crocodile boda. Lifespan 100. Crocodile ka lifespan 100 है.
100.
Crocodile ka does not taste food, swallow. मर जाएगा तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? मरने के बाद
Measurement.
ना और जब ऊपर आ जाएगा तो कोई इंफॉर्मेशन देगा तब आपको पता चलेगा. ये क्या? ये डॉल्फिन में पन्नी है
இது பண்ணிதா
வைல்ட் போர்
வைல்ட் போர் ஸ்கல் முடி விடு அது டால்ஃபின் தான் இது கீழே டர்ட்டில்ஸா கீழே டர்ட்டில்ஸ் தோல் ஒன்னு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கும்பாங்க இதெல்லாம் ஓ ஓ
नीचे वाला टर्टल्स just crocodile has dirt crocodile because has cobra
king cobra
बहुत सारा
மூணு வயசு 4 வயசு 3 வயசு 4 வயசு एक ऑफ इंडियन रॉक
काली मछली खाता है और कुछ नहीं खाता.
ह्यूमन एक ऑफ इंडियन रॉक
मछली और ह्यूमन बीइंग दोनों खाता है.
ओ मां
आदमी गिरेगा तो छोड़ेगा नहीं.
एवढं कसं बकरं करताना वगैरे आदर पद्धतीने
ऑलमोस्ट 20 किलो वाला
बनिया
नीचे वाला जो आयरन है टाइगर ट्रैप ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ एक्स जम दे पहले लेपर्ड था भीतर पर किंग कैच टाइगर बाय
टाइगर ट्रैप
इधर का बाद द बर्ड्स
கேட்டுக்கோ
ஏறுங்க
இது பார்த்தது நல்லா
முதல்ல கூட ஆடவே இல்லை.
முதல்ல பண்ணாங்க திருவண்ணாமலை
नहीं பார்த்தேன்டா இதுல ஏறணுமா
தண்ணியில் பார்த்தியா
see the beautiful mangrove trees. Bithraganika supports vital biodiversity including dense mangroves, largest population of estuarine crocodiles, white crocodiles, pythons, birds and number of mammalian species. The beauty of nature around us is one of the greatest blessings of God on us. This beauty allows us to choose places and many destinations for the sake of rest, recreation and the best of times. So friends, hope you all liked my video. If you liked it, please do subscribe it if you did not subscribe, and please share with your friends. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.